Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to this channel. Today we are going to learn how to use Autodesk Inventor. It has so many features that we can adapt. It's a mechanical software. And today I'm going to teach you on the introduction what Autodesk Inventor is. So we are going to open the software. Here it is. This is Autodesk Inventor 2019 version. As you can see, it's opening up Autodesk Inventor Professional 2019. And this software will help you to design so many mechanical parts. It can help you designing the gears, shafts, the motors, the splints, and so on. And then it can help you even simulate those designed products. And it's a nice software. So it's good for you to work together with me so that as an engineer, you can have the basics of how to use this software and how it can help you in ensuring that you have your best mechanical designs. This software is good for all the engineering students. It's also good for professionals. It helps you in understanding so many engineering principles. Therefore, when you come to this software, you can see this is how the software opens. We have the navigation bar here. So we are going to get started from new. As we learn, I want to show you how to design a cylinder using the commands in this software. We shall be using two types of commands in designing a cylinder. The first command will be the extrusion command or extrude, and then the second command will be the revolve command. So let's get started new. We start with a new project like this. So I'm going to use the matrix units. So I'll select metric and then I come to standard millimeters.ipt. Then now I create my project. So as you can see down here, the project is loading simulation. So you can see loading. We wait until the project loads. Then we do this design in the best way possible. Yes, you're going to learn something at least today. It's an introduction, and we shall be learning several commands as we move them. So we are creating part one. So we can control S to save this project. Then I'm saving it in my folder. It's called Mugo. So this one is cylinder design. So I'm going to show you the cylinder design. So I can save like that. So here we are going to start with sketch. This command here, we select sketch, and then because we want to start with the extruding process, we're going to start with the circular part. You click on the circular part, we select our plane, and then we draw our circle like this. You can input any dimension that you want, but for us, you're not concentrating on dimension because you just want to know how to draw. Then you can finish your sketch. And then you come to 3D model here. Then now you extrude. When you extrude, the command for extrude comes on. You can select the part. Yes, you can see it selected. So our extrusion from here, the distance is 10 millimeters. There's different types of extrusion. Then even if you want to change it to make it 20 millimeters, it will change like that. Then you hit OK. Then you have your cylinder. From here, you can come and try to navigate through the cylinder. So this is our cylinder. Again, this cylinder we can create it through another method. As I said earlier, the other method, it's very easy also. So you come again back home here, you create a new part again. So matrix, okay, create project. We still want to extrude the project. So it's very easy again. You come here again at our sketches. Now because you want to use now revolve, you come to rectangular parts. You select the part, then you can select the type of triangle you want, rectangle you want to draw. You draw like this, then you can control finish. Yeah, then we can save this project as again cylinder design, but now this one is extrude like this. We save. Again, you come back here. And then from finished sketch, you come to 3D model. and then you select, now we are talking about now revolve. You select revolve. I'm sorry for that confusion a bit. And then from here, this is the profile it's selected, and then you select the axis, any part of this axis like this, and then you finish. Okay, then you have your cylinder. So those are the only two ways that you can draw a cylinder in Autodesk Inventor, and they are very nice methods for us. So you can see we have our cylinder here through revolving, and then we have our cylinder here through extrusion. So thank you very much for following us. Keep viewing our channel. We will be coming back with many other contents. Keep subscribing to this channel and enjoy. Thank you very much, and goodbye for now.